Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 10.4. In the diagram, BE and CD are the diameters of a circle having M as the center. So we have B, E, and CD. And then these are the diameters passing through the center M. Chord AE is drawn to cut CD at F. So we have chord AE, this is chord AE, and then CD, they cut each other at F here. AE, chord AE is perpendicular to CD. Let angle C be equal to X. Given that CF is equal to 6 units and AB is 24 units, calculate, giving reasons, the length of AE. So what do we do here? If you check, AE is a side of a right angle triangle ABE, this triangle. So this is a right angle triangle because this angle is 90 degrees. Angle BAE is equal to 90 degrees because it is what? It is subtended by diameter. Then AE is a side of a right angle triangle. So we have AB, meaning that if we get BE, then we can find AE. We know that AF from the previous question, or if we use the theorem that the line drawn from the center perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord, we know that AF is equal to FE. AF is equal to FE, meaning that F is the midpoint. So we have the midpoint F, which is the midpoint of AE, and then M is the midpoint of BE. So what can you say here? It means that FM is parallel to AB because of what? Of the midpoint theorem. Okay, one. And also FM is equal to half of AB. FM is equal to half of AB because of the midpoint theorem. You see that? Now, with FM, then we can find CM. See that? And then CM is what? It's a radius. So meaning that CM is going to be 6 units plus FM here. We'll get that CM. We get CM. And then after that, we can find PM because PM is radius and ME is radius. Let's just write that down, what you've discussed. And then we're saying that FM is equal to half of AB, meaning that it is half of what? Half of 24, and that is 12 units. And then what is the reason? Midpoint theorem. FM is 12 units. So therefore, CM is equal to 18 units. 6 plus 12 there. 18 units. Okay. But if you check, CM is equal to BM is equal to ME, since they are what? Since they are radii. Okay, so meaning that BM, this is also 18 units. This one is 18 units. This one also is 18 units. Okay, they are radii. See that? Okay, therefore BE is equal to 36 units. BE is equal to 36 units, which is 18 plus 18. Now we have our right angle triangle here. We have side AB, we have the hypotenuse BE, and then we can find AE. Now let's use the Pythagoras theorem. BE squared is equal to AB squared plus AE squared. Okay, we can even start with this. We can skip this step and say AE, that's what we want to find, is equal to BE squared minus AB squared, and then write your reason. Pythagoras or Pythagoras theorem is enough. And then let's substitute what we have. AE, let me just square root both sides, is equal to the square root of BE squared, means 36 squared, minus AB is 24 squared, meaning that AE is equal to 12 root 5, or you can say 26,83 units. That's the answer there. But there's another way of doing this. You could have done the following, right? We have discussed everything. So we say this is 24 units, this is 6 units, this is what? This is 12 units. And we say that CM is equal to BM is equal to ME, right? Since they are radii, right? Meaning that this is 18 units ME. And then this angle is given that this is 90 degrees. So this is actually a right angle triangle. FME is a right angle triangle, this triangle here. So we can find FE here. We can find FE using the Pythagoras theorem. So let's just do that. FE squared is equal to ME squared, which is the hypotenuse, minus FM squared, which is why this Pythagoras. So let's find FE. So FE is equal to the square root of ME squared, which is 18 squared, minus 12 squared. And then what do you get? We get that FE is equal to 6 root 5. So it means that this is 6 root 5. But we know that FE is equal to AF, right? Okay, but FE is equal to AF, right? Set line from center perpendicular to chord, right? And then so it means this is also 6 root 5. So you can say therefore AE is equal to 2 times 6 root 5, meaning that this is 12 root 5, which is equal to even 26. So it can be this or this, 26,83 units. Okay, it's fine. You see that? Done. So that's what it's supposed to do there. So we'll meet when we're doing question 11.